अब मुझे नहीं पता which came first, the chicken or the egg, but I do love them both equally. अब आप सब लोगों ने मेरी चिकन रेसिपी तो देखी है and obviously there are a lot of them. But if you don't know, I just love eggs. So आज हम बनाने वाले हैं 2 of my favorite egg recipes. Actually, I have almost 10 or 12 of them. But इस वीडियो में we are covering 2 of them. The first one is very easy, बहुत ज़्यादा creamy, tomatoey egg की recipe है. We all know that. It's called shakshuka. And the second one is थोड़ा time consuming, but I love it. First of all, it's a Bengali dish. Secondly, उसमें egg के साथ there's chicken keema as well. Thirdly, it's deep fried. So obviously we're gonna love it. So बिना किसी देरी के let's get into it. अब ये वाला काफी इजी है एंड इज परफेक्ट फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट और लंच. स्टार्ट करेंगे विद चॉपिंग ओनली 5 इंग्रेडिएंट्स. फर्स्ट द अनियन, जिसे करना है फाइनली चॉप जस्ट लाइक दिस. देन 3 to 4 ग्रीन चिलीज एंड हाफ बेल पेपर, व्हिच बाय द वे इज रिप्लेसेबल. नाउ कम्स द टोमेटोज. आप नॉर्मल टमाटर भी यूज कर सकते हैं, बट मुझे वो थोड़े ज्यादा सार लगते हैं, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई यूज चेरी टोमेटोज. और लास्टली थोड़ा फाइनली चॉप करना है 1 टेबलस्पून ऑफ गार्लिक. अब आते हैं अपने कास्ट आयरन पैन पे. सो देयर गोज अबाउट a tablespoon of olive oil. Once shimmering, add 1 teaspoon of cumin, your finely chopped onion, the garlic, and lastly हरी मिर्च. और इसे करना है saute until translucent and light golden brown. So cook करना है on medium low heat. फिर जाएगा your bell pepper, the cherry tomatoes and half cup of tomato puree. Mix it up और season करेंगे with 2 teaspoons of paprika. और अगर नहीं है just add कश्मीरी मिर्च. Then goes नमक, black pepper and half cup of water. Cover and let this cook for about 12 to 15 minutes. जब तक वो हो रहा है, let's quickly toast some bread. So half tablespoon of butter. जब melt हो जाए, toast your bread on low heat until GBT and toasty on both sides. बिल्कुल इस तरह. Coming back to your shakshuka, take the lid off और एक small bowl में crack your eggs. And we do this ताकि जो yolk है वो crack ना हो जाए in the pan. Now make a small well using your spatula like this and then add in your egg. इस रेसिपी में you can add 3 of them. And as soon as you do, cover it up and cook on medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes so that the egg white sets and the yolk is still runny. फिर turn off the flame and then goes some feta cheese. थोड़ा धनिया तो बनता है for your Instagram. And lastly, season your eggs with a touch of salt and black pepper. Do this for all 3 of them. And lastly, place your toasted bread slices. And now look at that bounce. That means आपका yolk is still runny. Ooh, look at that. Come on. Plating के लिए just cut off one section like this. Place it on a plate और extra sauce लेना मत भूलना. Enjoy it गर्मा गर्म with the toasty bread and that's done. अब इसमें सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट is to keep the egg yolk runny. अब अगर आपको runny yolk पसंद नहीं है, you can just cook it for longer. That's too good. Breakfast, lunch, आराम से. अब अगर आपको लग रहा है आपके टोमेटो थोड़े ज्यादा खट्टे हैं, सार है, then you can add a little bit of sugar and 1 to 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Amazing recipe, very creamy, very rich. But now let's move on to the next recipe. Ooh, now this is going to be a fun one. So let's start by making the chicken keema. First, we finely chop 150 grams of onion, जो है almost 2 medium-sized onion. Also finely chop करना है ginger and garlic. So अब आते हैं अपने pan पे. पहले जाएगा 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. और कोई जरूरत नहीं उसे smoke करने की. Just add the onions along with 2 bay leaves and saute until translucent like this. फिर जाएगा your garlic and ginger. Saute करना है for a minute and then add 250 grams of chicken keema. अब यहाँ पे you can also use mutton keema. और मसालों में जाएगा half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder, half teaspoon of haldi, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of kashmiri mirch, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 1.5 teaspoon of sugar. और of course नमक स्वाद अनुसार. And lastly a teaspoon of black pepper as well. Break the keema up and to help with that add half cup of water. So mix everything well and make sure there are no clumps of keema. So उसे एकदम अच्छे से break करना है और इसे करना है cook for about 20 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. फिर जाएगा 1 tablespoon of ketchup, mix it up, turn off the flame और chop करना है 3 green chilies and some fresh dhania. Add that in, mix it up and that's your chicken keema filling ready. Take it out in a bowl and remove the bay leaf. फिर उसमें ग्रेट करेंगे 1 आलू and also add 30 grams of breadcrumbs. So protection first and then सब कुछ अच्छे से मिक्स करना है until homogeneous and let it cool down. अब आते हैं अपने अंडों पे. So boiling water में add 4 of your eggs, cover और medium heat पे कुक करना है for 8 minutes. Side में keep a bowl of ice cold water ready. As soon as it's done, take them out and dunk them in water. और इन्हें करने दो chill for 5 minutes. After that, peel all of them just like this. अगर नहीं हो रहा है by chance, just dunk them in water. It will make it easier for sure. And then place them on a paper towel because we don't want your eggs to be wet. So now divide your filling in 90 gram balls like this और फिर उसे करना है flatten using your palm. Make sure you make an indent in the center with your finger जहाँ पे your egg will sit. Now shape the keema around the egg. थोड़ा time लगेगा but make sure the filling is covered evenly on all the sides. Just like this. अब इन्हें coat करने से पहले place your balls in the freezer for about 25 to 30 minutes so that they can hold their shape. अब coating करने के लिए season your maida with salt and pepper. Then make an egg wash using 1 egg and a touch of water. Make sure to whisk it up properly. और lastly we need some good quality pan panko breadcrumbs. और हाँ, एक ट्रे पे add some breadcrumbs where you'll place the coated demer devil. So पहले coat your devil in maida, dust the extra off, then it goes in the egg wash. Make sure to turn it around like this. And lastly it goes in the breadcrumbs. Coat करना है अच्छे से and make sure there are no bald spots. Keep it on the tray और इसे करेंगे freeze for another 5 to 10 minutes before frying. Now heat up your oil to 180 degrees Celsius. Also side में ready रखना है एक strainer like this, and that's your fry station ready. Now carefully place your demer devil in the oil and splash the oil on top of the egg like this so that it's GBD on all sides equally. So अब इसमें everything is already cooked. So as soon as it turns that golden brown color, just take it out. Oh, now look at these. Come on and listen to this. And these are done. The keema is still very juicy with a hard-boiled egg inside and that crispy breadcrumb coating on the outside. I just love this too much. और हाँ, plating के लिए place your demer devil और इसके साथ go some thinly sliced onions and of course सबसे important mustard sauce and ketchup, and that's done. Okay, so demer devil. I know थोड़ा prep लगता है, थोड़ा time ज़्यादा लगता है, but it's so worth it. This is definitely not shakshuka. You can't make this every day, I know, but you can make this for special occasions या just for the weekend. Trust me, आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. So two things: mustard sauce and onions are compulsory. Too good. Amazing. You need to try this. So obviously both of the recipes are amazing. Try both of them out. Demer devil you can try on the weekend. Shakshuka you can try right now. If you like eggs, don't forget to subscribe, or any other food as well. Just subscribe if you like the video. Do comment what do you think about the recipes. Let me know if you have any suggestions. And until then, I'm going to see you in the next one.